Hi, I'm Matt Oliver. I am the head of operations here at Evre Self Care, based in Auckland. The company was founded by Marie, and she saw a gap in the market where her teenage daughter, was all of a sudden interested in skincare, to have something that was team focused and 100% natural, gentle, hormone friendly, and safe for teenage skin. That was a few years ago now, and in the last year we've had pretty rapid growth, particularly in the US. Whilst we're based in Auckland, we're probably a bit more of a US first business. Just in the last year, we've launched into over 1,500 doors, including Whole Foods markets, Kroger and Sprouts. Unleashed was embedded just before I started, but I believe that at that time, everything was done in a spreadsheet, which I think is pretty common for a business in those early years. As you're working in those spreadsheets, errors occur and everything just becomes really messy and risky. You tend to lose a lot of visibility, so you don't know what's going on, which means that you can't stay on top. Unleashed was recommended to us, mainly because it's a system that could grow with us, so it was really scalable and cost effective. Everyone was saying that it was intuitive and easy to learn and not too complex, but I think the main thing is that it really filled a middle ground for us, and it really sort of tailored to our needs. We are buying packaging, we are assembling bottles and formulations, we're moving that into our 3PL and moving stock between warehouses, and then selling that to our customers as well. So it really ticked all the boxes that we could manage every touch point in that supply chain. I didn't actually need any support from Unleashed because it was just so intuitive. It was so super easy to learn. I really took advantage of the Unleashed Academy, so very rich resources online. Unleashed really just sits at the center of our business. Everything that's happening in the physical world is reflected in the system, so that Unleashed becomes that single source of the truth. It's been super easy just to adjust to that and basically take a model that we were using it in New Zealand and apply it to a bigger numbers, bigger scale. But you know, at the end of the day, they almost just feel like numbers on a page. You know, the volume's increased, but the workload hasn't. Overall, I'd absolutely recommend Unleashed. It's reliable, keeps you in control, and it's really well suited to growing brands that need structure without the complexity of a large enterprise system.